This is an absolutely modern condo townhome, only 10 minutes to the Bramalea City Centre, 5 minutes to Highway 10 and only 10 minutes to the GO station. This immaculate unit comes complete with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, hardwood flooring, crown molding, California shutters throughout, and much more. Step out to this extra long deck, enjoy a barbecue, peaceful evenings, and enjoy a great view.